Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter them. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open keypad on your phone and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound 1 2 3 4 pound. And this is the firmware version of your device. The second code is *pound O *pound, and this is the test mode. Here at this mode you can test different features of your device. You can test like colors of your screen, red, green and blue. You can test speakers, upper speaker, bottom speaker. You can test camera, you can test touch, you can test like vibration and every other feature of your device. The second code for today will be *pound 2 6 8 3 6 6 2 pound, and this is the service mode. Here, for example, you can check some of the informations by going to the different sections here. For example, you can go to the Wi-Fi, make a ping test, see some of the informations here. The second code for today will be *pound 0228 pound. This is the battery status. You can check its level, you can change its current CHG and all the others very useful informations about battery. The second code for today will be *pound 0808 pound, and this is the USB settings. You can select the USB mode here at this mode. The second code for today will be *pound 2663 pound, and this is the more advanced firmware version mode. Here you can see more information about your firmware, I guess. And the last code for today will be *pound 06 pound, and this is code which is allows you to see your IMEI number too, and also the serial number of your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.